Here are two sentences. How do I reset my password? And steps to recover your account login. Look closely, they don't share a single word. Not one. And yet, to an AI, these two mean almost exactly the same thing. It will match them instantly, like twins. So, how does a machine see meaning that isn't even in the words? That's what embeddings are. And by the end of this video, you'll see your AI's entire sense of meaning is really just a map. Quick grounding, because this is the part that clicks for people. An AI model is underneath just a giant math machine. Multiply and add billions of times. And math doesn't work on letters. You can't multiply the word cat. So before a model can do anything with your text, it first turns each piece of text into numbers. That list of numbers is called an embedding. An embedding is just a list of numbers that stands in for a piece of text. Every word, every sentence you send becomes one of these lists. Now, here is the trick that makes it useful. A list of numbers is also an address. Two numbers can be an X and a Y, a point on a grid. So every embedding is a position in space. We call that a vector. A vector is just a point located by its numbers, and the model places these points on purpose. Watch where they land. Cat, dog, kitten, they cluster together. Car, truck, bus, off in their own neighborhood. King, queen, another cluster. Things that mean similar things end up close together. Meaning just became distance. But why does the model put cat next to dog and not next to car? It's not magic, and nobody hand-placed this. The model learns it from enormous amounts of text. It notices that cat and dog show up in the same kinds of sentences. Feed the blank, my blank is hungry, the blank ran across the yard. Same slots, same kinds of words. Car and truck live in completely different sentences. Drive the blank, park the blank. So the model pulls words that are used alike close together and pushes words used differently apart. Do that across billions of sentences and you get a map where position encodes meaning. Used the same way means placed the same place. And it gets stranger in a good way. Because meaning is now positions and distances, directions start to mean something too. The famous one, take the point for king, move in the same direction that runs from man to woman, and you land almost exactly on queen. The model was never taught that. The relationship just falls out of the map. The same arrow links countries to capitals, singulars to plurals. Now, full honesty. This is cleanest in the older word-by-word embeddings, and modern models are messier than the neat textbook arrows. But the core idea is real, and it's wild. Relationships between meanings show up as directions in space. Now go back to those two sentences from the start. Here the payoff. When you search, your question becomes a point too. How do I reset my password? Lands right here, and the closest point to it is steps to recover your account login. No shared words, but they are neighbors on the map because they mean the same thing. So find related text turns into something computers are great at. Find the nearest points. And that one move is everywhere. It's how recommended for you find similar videos. And it's how search matches what you meant, not just what you typed. And it's the engine behind RAG, feeding an AI the right documents to answer from, which is exactly where we are going next Tuesday. One honest confession. I've been drawing this in two dimensions, a flat map, so we can actually see it. Real embeddings are not 2D. A common OpenAI model gives every piece of text 1536 numbers. The bigger one, over 3000. That's the point in a space with thousands of directions. Impossible to picture, but the map of who's close to whom works exactly the same. Our flat map is just the shadow that space casts so human eyes can follow along. So here is the whole thing in one line. An embedding turns text into a position in space, place that similar meanings sit close together. And once meaning is allocation, understanding becomes geometry. That's how your AI gets that two totally different sentences mean the same thing. Next Tuesday, we put this to work. How RAG takes your question, find the nearest documents on this map, and hand them to the model to answer from. If this finally made embeddings click, subscribe and tell me in the comments what the pair of words you think the model places right next to each other.